टेस्ट के पार्ट 2 में जो फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स वाला क्वेश्चंस था, आज हम लोग उसके आंसर्स का डिस्कशन करेंगे। तो चलिए हम लोग क्लास को शुरू करते हैं। What does your brother do? She is not swimming in the river. Ram does not eat food. Do you do homework daily? His sisters are going to Patna. I do not read newspaper. Is your friend driving a car? The boys are running in the field. We do not walk every day. What are your classmates doing there?